Is your USB drive not working properly or do you want to reset it quickly? Here's a fast and reliable way to delete and recreate its partition in Windows 10. Hi everyone and welcome back to the CNATT channel. To recreate a USB drive partition, plug in your USB flash drive. Then right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. In the Disk Management window, locate your USB drive in the list of available disks. It will typically be labeled as removable and display its storage capacity. Carefully verify that you have selected the correct drive by matching its drive letter and volume label with what appears in this PC. This step is critical as selecting the wrong drive can result in accidental data loss. Right-click the USB partition and select Delete Volume. Confirm the warning if you've already backed up your files. Now the drive will appear as unallocated. Right-click that space and select New Simple Volume. When the wizard opens, keep the default size if you want to use the full drive, then click Next. Assign a drive letter or just accept the suggested one. Next, choose a file system like NTFS or exFAT. NTFS is best for Windows-only use, while exFAT works well across different devices including macOS. If you need maximum compatibility with older devices and your USB drive is 32 GB or smaller, you can choose FAT32. However, keep in mind that it has a 4 GB file size limit. Enter a volume label to name your USB drive. Leave Quick Format selected and click Next, then Finish. Wait a few moments for the process to complete. That's it, your USB drive is now reset and ready to use. You can now access the USB flash drive through this PC or by right-clicking on the newly created partition and selecting Open or Explore. This is just one quick method. If you want a more detailed explanation, these steps are covered in greater depth in the full tutorial video. We also show you how to perform the same process using command prompt. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.